Let's see how to modify the post Mosaic widget for Elementor included with the Pro Radio WordPress theme. Let's edit the page with Elementor, right-click and select Edit Post Mosaic. On the left side, you can see that posts can be filtered by category. You can even choose multiple categories. In the same way, you can exclude specific categories. We are excluding, for instance, the general category here. We exclude music, or you can choose to display only specific posts by ID. Reorder the post results based on your chosen parameter. You can even choose the top viewed or the top liked or top shared and select a specific time period for the database query. Now let's check the offset parameter. This parameter is extremely important when creating a magazine style page because you can have, for instance, a slider and certain posts are already contained in the slider and you don't want them to be repeated in the following widget. So we are going to modify the query and set an amount of posts, for instance 3 posts. Then in the post mosaic we can make sure that we are not seeing the same posts. To do so, edit the post mosaic and set the offset parameter to match the number of items that are already in the slider, in this case 3. As you can see in the mosaic, we are not seeing anymore the same posts that were in the slideshow. Let's click publish and check the result in the front end.